Imagine for a moment waking up each day feeling energized, confident, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. What if a simple daily practice could extend both the quality and the quantity of your life, all while boosting your mood and strengthening your connections with others? The answer lies in something so foundational yet often underestimated: regular physical activity. Exercise isn't just about losing weight or building muscle. It's a cornerstone of vibrant health and well-being at every stage of life. Whether you're an occasional walker or a devoted gym goer, each step, each stretch, and each beat of your heart brings a multitude of benefits. Today, let's explore the 7 profound ways that regular exercise can transform your life, elevating every aspect from your physical health to your sense of joy and belonging. First and foremost, exercise is one of the most effective tools you have for controlling your weight. When you move your body, you burn calories, and the more rigorous the activity, the more energy you expend. While it's easy to view weight management as a numbers game, it's helpful to remember that even small bouts of activity add up. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking to the store rather than driving, doing a few jumping jacks during a television commercial, each of these moments contributes meaningfully. Beyond the scale, consistent activity fine-tunes your metabolism, making your body more efficient at processing and utilizing the energy you consume. This isn't about cultivating a certain body type. It's about giving yourself the physical foundation to feel good, move comfortably, and live life to its fullest. Secondly, the power of exercise to combat health conditions and diseases cannot be overstated. Heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, these are serious conditions that affect millions worldwide. However, regular physical activity strengthens your heart, increases your circulation, and lowers harmful cholesterol and triglyceride levels while boosting the good protective cholesterol. Your arteries become more flexible, allowing blood to flow more freely and reducing your risk of blockages. Protecting your cardiovascular system, stabilizing blood sugar, lowering blood pressure, and tempering inflammation become possible, all thanks to regular movement. Exercise also strengthens your bones and muscles, which is invaluable in slowing bone loss as we age and reducing the risk of osteoporosis and arthritis-related complications. Even your immune system gets a boost, helping your body to fight off illnesses more effectively. Beyond the physical, exercise is a powerful catalyst for improving your mood. After a stressful day, a brisk walk or a favorite fitness class can do wonders to lift your spirits, a phenomenon often described as the feel-good effect. Physical activity stimulates the release of endorphins and other brain chemicals that promote feelings of happiness, calm, and relaxation. Over time, those who exercise regularly report lower rates of depression and anxiety, partly because movement breaks the cycle of negative thought patterns and provides a healthy outlet for energy and emotion. Exercise also bolsters self-esteem. As you feel your body grow stronger, more coordinated, and capable, your confidence grows with it. Every accomplishment, big or small, becomes a stepping stone towards a more positive sense of self. Perhaps you've noticed how daily tasks sometimes leave you feeling drained. With regular exercise, your body becomes more efficient and your energy levels surge. When you increase your heart rate and get your blood flowing, more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your tissues. Over time, your heart and lungs work with greater effectiveness, making everything from grocery shopping to climbing stairs feel easier and less taxing. You develop stamina that allows you to keep up with children, pursue hobbies, or simply take joy in being active throughout the day. In a world where life's demands often seem endless, the lasting energy gained from regular physical activity is one of its most rewarding benefits. Sleep is another area where exercise proves invaluable. Many people struggle to fall or stay asleep, and it's here that regular movement can make a significant difference. Physical activity helps you fall asleep faster and enhances the quality and depth of your sleep, allowing you to wake feeling refreshed and restored. While it's wise to avoid intense workouts right before bed, your body needs time to wind down. Finding a pattern of exercise that works for you can transform restless nights into tranquil, restorative slumber. Better sleep not only improves your mood, but supports your immune system, sharpens focus, and gives you the resilience to handle daily stress. A surprising but often overlooked benefit of exercise is its ability to enrich your sex life. If you've ever felt too tired, stressed, or self-conscious to enjoy intimacy, you're not alone. The good news is that regular physical activity naturally boosts energy, enhances self-confidence, and increases overall vitality, factors that spill over into your most personal relationships. For women, exercise may enhance arousal, while men who are active are less likely to experience erectile dysfunction. These benefits arise not just from improved blood flow, but also from the sense of accomplishment and well-being that permeates every aspect of your life, including your connections with others. Finally, it's important to remember that exercise, at its core, can be fun and deeply social. While solitary runs and solo gym sessions have their merits, many people find their greatest motivation and joy in shared movement. Playing sports, joining a dance class, going on nature hikes, or simply taking regular walks with a friend can turn exercise into a cherished ritual. The laughter, camaraderie, and sense of belonging that come with group activities enhance both your mental health and your commitment to staying active. Exercise becomes an opportunity to create memories, cultivate friendships, and explore new interests. Getting started doesn't require a dramatic overhaul of your life. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services recommends adults aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, alongside strength training exercises for all major muscle groups at least twice a week. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or even dancing all count toward your aerobic quota. For those with busy schedules, remember that every bit counts. Taking short walks throughout the day, doing squats while cooking, or playing in the yard with your kids can add up to impressive health gains. Before beginning any new exercise program, especially if you have existing health concerns, it's smart to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you find a safe and effective starting point tailored to your needs and abilities. In summary, the benefits of regular physical activity reach far beyond what you see in the mirror. By choosing to move your body each day, you're investing in a stronger, more resilient vessel, a clearer and happier mind, and a happier, more connected life. Whether you're young or old, a seasoned athlete or a beginner, exercise has something remarkable to offer every single one of us. So, why not take that first step? Lace up your shoes, stretch those muscles, and set out on the path toward a healthier, more vibrant you, one movement at a time.